few hours of rain, and this is what India's financial capital looked like on Monday morning. Mumbai's lifeline, the local train services, were severely affected on all routes. Over 27 flights were diverted and some flights cancelled as visibility at the Mumbai airport dropped. Schools in city were shut for the day. Prominent locations in Mumbai like Chembur, Sion, Dadar, Powai, Parle and Kurla remained waterlogged. People could be seen wading through knee-deep waters and homes were inundated.
The monsoon really arrived on the 10th of June, but since then it had not really been raining heavily. But the first heavy rain that Mumbai witnesses, and this is the condition of the city. It is inundated, it is chock-a-block with water. The main roads of the city, especially areas like this, Kurla, and many other areas, especially the Hind Mata, the regions which are generally considered to be very flood prone, are actually flooded right now.
Today is a Monday and today is considered as a busy day for Mumbaikars as they have been going to work, but right now they are coming back to home, and as you can see in the visuals, the water logging took place on a huge level and the vehicles have been broken down. The Mumbaikars are pushing the vehicle to take out of it from water.
Mumbai received over 300 mm rainfall in just 6 hours. The weather department has predicted very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall in the next 24 hours. Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde has said that efforts are underway to ensure public life is not affected.
Railway आणि BMC आणि स्टेट डिझास्टर या सर्वांनी मिळून जवळपास रेल्वेचे 200 पंप सुरू आहेत आणि BMCचे 481 पंप सुरू आहेत आणि ते पंप जे आहेत आणि त्याच्यामुळे पाणी जे साचलेलं आहे ते पाणी आपण तात्काळ त्याचा निचरा करण्याचं काम हे पंप करतायत. आणि म्हणून हिंद माता गांधी मार्केट या ठिकाणी बघितलं आपण मिलन सबवेमध्ये पण पाणी तिथे साचलं नाही कारण ते पंपाने ताबडतोब काम केलं.
Teams of the National Disaster Response Force have also been deployed in Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra. A high tide of 4.2 meters was witnessed earlier in the day. A Powai Lake overflowed after overnight rainfall. Another monsoon, another year, and the same scenes. Will anyone be held accountable for the annual monsoon mess?